So 1 and 5. And then 2 and 1. And then you'll join in the top of your beginning double crochet for a total of 84 double crochet. And you can continue this increase for as many rounds as you'd like. This is just a basic circle for the beginning of several of my washcloths. So I wanted to show you guys. And again, don't over tighten that magic ring, as that will cause it to be too stiff in the center there. So that's the washcloth base. Join us for the next round on my next washcloth tutorial. Check out more at www.doyleydesigns.com. Thank you.